Hello everyone, maybe you are doing great, right? Now I'm making video from a quiet place or village area, and you can see behind me here is a beautiful tree. I'm sitting under the tree, and that time I'm making video. You know that I live in a village, so that's why when I get free time I try to make video from this kind of place or nature. And if you want, I can show you some beautiful place in front of me or around me. There is a big paddy field, and there is some worker are working. You can see here is a beautiful cow is eating grass. So that time I'm making video this from this beautiful place, and it is actually kind of practice purpose. When I get free time I try to make video from this kind of nature or this kind of place. I'm walking through a paddy field. It is time to go home, so you can see I'm walking on a narrow pond. There is a small water hole here, and so shit, my feet are sinking into the mud. Shit.